Hey everybody, Darren Reeves here, President DP Distribution and Consulting with another DP Minute, and this is comment number 42. Yep, this 42 is one over halfway done with the 83 comments in the QMSR preamble. So let's get on with it. Comment number 42. FDA received multiple comments regarding proposed 820.10b, which requires that manufacturers establish and maintain a quality management system and comply as appropriate with the other applicable regulatory requirements. That's what this section is about. One comment asks that FDA list the other sections of ISO 1345 that apply to medical device manufacturers. I don't guess this person understood that all of it is. Another comment asked FDA to clarify whether parts 803 and 806 remain applicable to device manufacturers after this rulemaking is implemented. FDA's response: there are many portions of ISO 1345 that refer to applicable regulatory requirements. We have included FDA requirements that are relevant to the phrase applicable regulatory requirements to assist manufacturers in understanding how ISO 1345 relates to other regulatory requirements for devices. The list is not intended to be comprehensive. Regulated manufacturers are responsible for identifying and meeting all applicable requirements, even if such requirements are not specifically called out in the QMSR or ISO 1345. FDA notes that all sections of ISO 1345 apply to device manufacturers. FDA considers compliance with the Unique Device Identification (UDI) provisions of the FD&C Act to be necessary to comply with clauses 7.5.8 of ISO 1345. And they go on to reference other requirements such as traceability, notifying FDA of recalls or complaints that meet MDRs, and other applicable regulatory requirements they mention in this particular comment. The QMSR also allows for flexibility, such that if a manufacturer engages in only some operations subject to the requirements of the QMSR, but not in others, the QMSR allows organizations to identify and document the requirements of the QMSR that are not applicable to the organization. And for those of you that are already ISO 1345 certified or 9001 certified, you know that you can list those as exclusions in your quality manual and you won't be held accountable for them as long as you really don't do them. Okay, so there's your DP Minute for now, and we'll see you next time.